What's up, everybody? We're going to do some more video editing. I always rub my hands together when I start these. Maybe it's me warming my hands up to get ready to do some work. I don't know. Anyway, let's do some video editing. We're doing it in Adobe Premiere Pro. We're going to do a new project. We're going to go ahead and make a new folder here. Let's go ahead and hit new. This is for Kentucky Route 0. My playthrough of that. And we'll select this folder and we'll say Kentucky Route 0 Part 1, because that's the first video. I believe there's 7 or 8 and they're all varied in length. I want this panel not to be in that group. What the heck did I just do? Don't know what I did. Anyway, let's go ahead and jump into this. Scroll down here, Kentucky Route 0 Part 1. We're going to drag that in. Video editing, and then we're going to go into my end screen. I want to do an intro somehow, but it needs to be very short because I don't want it to take up too much time. I think I'm not exactly sure what I want to do for it though. The reason I want it to be short is because I don't want to have to mess with just video editing too much of it, and I don't want it to delay getting into the actual content. All right, let's boost. Let's boot. Boot is the word I'm looking for. Let's boot up Kentucky Route 0. Kentucky Route 0. Play. Let's turn down the light with one press of a button. Oh. There we go. And there we go. I get to choose the act. Zero. Kentucky Route 0. Okay, we're going to start here. Kentucky Route 0. Kentucky Route 0. Play. Perfect. Actually, I forgot to delete these. Let's go ahead and delete these. Let's go ahead and split that. Shift delete. We'll ripple that. I'm happy with where that is. How long is this? This is 1 hour and 15 minutes. So maybe 45 minutes. Is there a break here anywhere? Oh, there's BRBs here. Let me run to the bathroom real quick. We'll just cut it right here. You don't even need to know that I went to the bathroom. Just cut it. Excuse me. We're playing here. About a half hour. Cut it about here. Boom. 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 Shift delete. Now how long have we got? You're now looking at about an hour and 12 minutes. Let's see. Is there anything around 45 minutes that seems like... Keep at it for a minute. I have a little bit of glare on my screens. Perfect spot, actually. Act 1, Scene 4. I mean, that's only a 30-minute episode. Hey, Lula. Did you get my note about the office party? I'm going stag. About the proposal? I just finished them. You got a letter back. Act 2, Scene 1. Bureau of Reclaimed Spaces. Alright, we're going to end it here. And, excuse me. Yeah, I should be, I might stream a little bit again tomorrow. Get a little hour in. And, alright, we're going to end it here. And. No and. Both reclaimed spaces. Alright, we're going to end it here. Clip that. Clip it, baby. Clip it. Let's go ahead and bring in the end screen. Actually, let's go ahead and delete that for just a moment. I might need some space in between here and there. All right, we also need to... This audio sounds pretty good. It scares me to turn it up. Multiple clips are selected. Oh, yeah. Let's take a listen at 15. It might be a little high. We're going to find out. Kentucky Route 0. Play. Not bad. Let's turn down the light. It's mostly like these points right here where you can see it's kind of a big peak. That's my concern. That'll blow somebody's ears out. Oh. With one press of a button. Do I cut it? That's a lot of editing. This is supposed to be quick and clean. There's going to be so many coughs in my lifetime. I think I just have to accept the fact that the cough is there until I have somebody to edit the video for me. See? Yep, it's staying. That's me. That's just who I am. You gotta know who I am. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna drag in this one here. We're gonna turn this one up to full 15 too. Turn me down, right? That's the rule. That's the rule, right? I want it loud enough to where you have to, that you can turn me down if you need to. But if you can't turn me up and you can't hear me, you're not even gonna watch. You're not gonna listen. So the goal, you gotta turn me down. That's the way, right? I give you control. And this one might need to be resized. It does indeed. Scale frame. That's exactly what I needed. And then we'll go ahead and I wonder if I could do something here. Let's go ahead and Control C that just to check this out. And we're going to put it here. Right here. And we're going to control V. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, and the audio is perfect, too. The audio is already set up. The audio's already set up, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Boys and girls. Looks like the audio's fine. All right, so now we're going to hit that Control S. That saves you. The Control M. That exports. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. You gotta do the in, right? You gotta know where the video is going to be cut. Your ins and your outs of the sequence. Otherwise, it'll render the whole thing, and you'll have black space, black frames all through there, empty frames. And there we go. We'll go ahead and Control S that, Control M, and we will call this Kentucky Routes 0 Episode 1. Kentucky Route 0 Episode 1. Save. And I will queue it because I'm an Adobe Media Encoder renderer. Doing it in Adobe Premiere Pro is supposed to be faster, and in After Effects, I don't know if it affected Adobe Media Encoder. I keep seeing things around that Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects have been, something's been tweaked to where that the encoding and rendering process is faster, but I don't do it through those. So as of right now, I don't know if there's any changes. This is a 45-minute video. 30-minute, or the shorter videos usually take me between 5 and 30 minutes, depending on the size. They're saying the NVAC too. This is CUDA. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this going. We have to jump back over here. And go ahead and jump to this part here, right there, and we want that to be in. This part to be out. We'll Control S. We'll Control M. Then we're going to rename it Episode 2 dash Episode 2. We will save. We will queue it. It's going to be put over here with Episode 1. So now we have 1 and 2. And that's it for this file. So basically what's going to happen now is I'm going to press this green button. It's going to start the encoding rendering process. I'm going to have to go through so many of these to be able to tell you whether the speed is different or not. I'm editing so many varied sized and quality videos that I can't tell you whether the Adobe Media Encoder has changed at all. So like I said, supposedly it was Premiere Pro and After Effects, but I'll have to look into that some more. Anyway, while I press this button to get going on this, hopefully you'll go check out another one of my videos, and I will talk to everybody later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.